Yes, my people, good day, customer states. When I start my car, there's a loud vibration on the inside. Sounds like the dashboard is rattling and the seats are shaking. It's really noisy. It used to be very smooth. Check this out. Hear that? Hear that? That rattling, this rattling. Everything rattling, and you can feel it in the seat. You can feel it in the steering wheel. It's just rough. It used to be smooth. The real problem is the motor mounts are bad. So you have bad motor mounts. Not all of them, but one of them. On this particular motor, you have one in the front below the radiator, down there. And then there's one in the back. You have a transmission mount. And then you have this one. And usually it's that one is the culprit right there. Right there. So this is how you check. You get your jack. But remember now, I have my ear jack that I use. You get your jack and you set your jack under the oil pan. And then I am going to just ease it up a little bit. Just a little bit. You could put a wood block on yours, but mine has a rubber pad on it. Ease it up a little bit. That's it. You see how that movement a second ago? Let's go back inside and start it up and see what it sound like. All right. Hear the difference? No more rattly. It's running. So that you know, see, it's running. For those naysayers, quiet, no vibration. And that's what it is, the motor mount. Let me show it to you. I am going to relieve the pressure from the oil pan because right now the engine is being supported by the oil pan and not sitting on the motor mount here. Because I raise it up, it's not sitting metal to metal in there. It's not sitting on rubber anymore. The rubber is all squished out. The liquid in it is all squished out. All the vibration from the engine gets transferred through the frame into the cabin, and then you're getting all that vibration. Notice when I release the pressure now off of my jack, notice the movement. Look at that now. See that? And that's it. You need a passenger side motor mount. That's what's transferring all that vibration and everything into the cabin where you're driving. Make a thing drive like salad or putt-putt. You understand? Fix that up and the thing will drive smooth. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.